to do this. I mean, it's pretty much what I expected.
So what are they doing?
Well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna head out in the morning.
Working with us?
Yeah.
We just met them. Don't you think that's a bit harmful to have them come with us?
I mean, it's a guy and his brother. What else could they do?
Don't you remember the cult was looking for a kid?
It's not the same kid.
You don't know that!
There's like 40 million kids in the world.